Good morning, everybody. We're in Century, Florida today, and we are at the Sawmill Festival, which they're having a heritage type festival with crafts and food, and they're also having a car show on the side. So we've got Miss Elsie set up, and we're fixing to do a walk around and show you some good stuff at the car show. So Elsie's prepped and looking real nice and shiny. Miss Beth's back there with Rebecca. They're sitting in the chairs relaxing. This is Jerry and Rebecca's Kermit-mobile parked next to us. And then we're gonna walk down the street this way and do some more video. So we're gonna do a lineup walking down the road. I'll show you what kind of hot, cool cars are here today. I'm gonna move along a little bit more. Got a lot of Chevrolet lineup here. We have a nice Mustang. We have a sorry about the bush. Behind the bush, there's a 1960 Biscayne. We have another Nova. Very nice. Very nice. Nice looking stuff. On this side of the road, got a C10 Chevy truck. Got to take some pictures with the backdrop of the old houses. They're really nice. And do a walk around, keep going, see some really cool vehicles at the car shows. This is a nice one, a nice C10. Classic lineups. Plus people sitting around, relaxing, having a good time. This is a F1, not F100, but a F1 Ford pickup truck, which that's not too common as far as I know, but yeah, just so you can see, F1. Very cool, very nice. It's series F1, pretty nice. We got this nice Camaro parked next to us. I'll move around, keep filming some more stuff, take pictures as I go along while I'm doing video. It's helped out a lot so far. That way I can keep walking and show you guys cool stuff at the same time. A lot of muscle cars out today. Got the deputy. He must be here to keep everybody from doing power burnouts in the streets. And we come around, we got some more cool stuff. We got this nice Chevrolet pickup truck. And you got this nice Apache right there behind it. And we got Scott with his Nova. Good morning, Scott. How you doing today? It's good. Another Mustang 302. We got this fella coming along. Sorry. I guess I'm walking in the street. He didn't know I was walking in the street. Got Corky with his nice Roadrunner. Very nice. Nice Camaro. I'm sorry. Nice Corvette. This is Babs Mace's Mustang. I'm pausing each time so I can take a picture real quick too. And we got Sonny's Camaro right here. And we have another Apache. And a nice Mustang parked next to the Apache. And then followed by this nice red Corvette Stingray. Stingray is really nice. Very nice. And that's the lineup on that part of the street. And then you turn your way this way and we got a lot of celebration. So they're having Sawmill Day, and they got it called KO Station, or KO Stanton. And it says Century Post Office. They've got an old train back here. It's really cool. Got a lot of vendors out today. They're all selling goods that they've made or baked or things. Got an old train back here in the corner. It's got a museum inside that. And just pan around through the courtyard. Just a nice old quiet country town. We're having a car show out today in Century. So we're gonna walk right back down here and show you the street as we pass by, and then go and get us some lunch. Some of this great barbecue food that they're cooking up today. Nice collection of cars though for the car show. A lot of folks coming out, they like to see the stuff and they want something to do. It's a beautiful Saturday. Be great to see every more come out. But in the meantime, we're having a great day here in Century. So thanks for watching my video, and keep checking back. I'll post as many as I can, as often as I can. But this is our today car show, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. It's a very nice setting. A lot of cool hot rods. Everybody's having a great day. Got a cool backdrops. Very nice. Other than that, now we're back to the El Camino. And here we're back at the end of our video. And Miss Beth and Rebecca sitting right there relaxing. And that's today's show. Pan you around a little bit more. Y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching.